and something bad's gonna happen.
Let's give it a try. Oh God! Oh!
Come on, Shimmer.
Nope. Holy shit! Oh.
Terrible choice. Oh no, not the ice cream cart.
Holy!
Not near the pool. Oh!
Whoop, whoop. Oh yeah. Oh. Ah.
She's looking all cool. Oh, that's a bad thing.
Oh no, the chicken got the baby.
I told you.
Hey, nailed it.
Dude, that's oh! Swinging on this.
Fireman's pole. Kinda did it. We're still good. I'm going to bump you up.
That's dangerous.
Alright, here we go. Down the slide we go. Whoop. Whoa, they're so cool.
Bruh.
Alright, big jump time. Let's go.
Are you okay?
No. Oh no.
Got that,
You are now the basketball.
We're gonna watch.
Oh my God!
I mean, that's one way to get in the pool, I guess. Not bad.
Fail.
Man, he's going ninja mode. Let's go. Wow. Oh, no, squirrel.
Holy!
Ah, he's fine.
Whoa!
Gotta go fast into the sand.
Nope.
Tasty head.
Ow.
Bruh, how did you... Okay, that's fine.
Hey, Brody, I got this new mister. Can you feel it?
A little bit.
How about now?
Just a kid and a dog in the truck. Dog's out of the truck.
Uh-oh! Go!
Man.
You're gonna so eat it. I told you. Oh. Sand, it's coursing, it gets everywhere. Cat?
No. Ready?
The most useful baby ever. Whoop. Whoop.
I could have been dying.
Oh no! Man down! Man down! Oh, it's me! Oh, it's a bunch of me! Is that me?
Ready? 1, 2. Sammy, back up.
Yeah, no.
Oh, he going to hit himself in the face, ain't he?
He's gonna go fly. 3, 2, 1.
Not got my phone, please. Teddy bears. I told you!
Spinning! Till you hit the ground! Woo!
What?
We're still good.
Hey, we're playing Morgan Wallen!
Oh my God, Lord help me.
All right, dude, totally watch this. Oh.
Oh no, he's gonna go.
Want to work your back legs?
No, there. Oh. Are you okay? Ow.
All right, wait on us. Hold on, Sandy's filming it.
She got hit dang curve.
Just kidding, I'm fine. Oh boy, that they gone. Oof.
Super muggy. This guy's a stud. We slept like probably 2 hours. Oh,
Oh, dude, don't mess him up. Oh, you done messed him up. Backflip and woo, got it, and I'm out.
Are you okay?
No.
Time to get splish splash. Oh no!
Oh my God.
Disappointing.
Oh boy, she feeling herself all on the floor. Woo! All right, super juggle gym time. Let's go.
Buddy. Go.
We're here.
Oh my God.
What is it?
Oh, so close. Up. Sorry, Paw Paw. That is a deep puddle. You probably don't need to be in that. Oh yeah, flipped it, bro. Watch that. Caught my face. Oh nah, man. All right, get tumbling. Woo. Dumb ways to die. Who needs 2 feet when you got the ground for your face? Running down the hill is the best way to eat it. Almost nailed it. There's a fence down there, dude.
I'm gonna be a unicorn.
That was the thing.